Good day everyone, this is Mathdiskarteng Maestro and welcome back to my math classroom. In this video, you will learn 4 ways on how to find the missing number in a proportion. Let's begin with the first step. That is using the fraction form. Study this example. So x over 4 is equal to 5 over 2. The variable x here represents the number that is missing in this proportion. At yan ang hahanapin natin, ang nawawala mong si x. Akala ko ba naka-move on ka na? Di ba? Kinalimutan mo na si x? Paiyak-iyak ka pa nga dati, di ba? Pero syempre, ngayon nakita mo kung anong halaga ni x. Kaya tutulungan kitang hanapin si x. Pero, promise, wala mo ng love. Dahil bata ka pa, mag-aral ka muna mabuti. Okay? Now, when you are dealing with fraction form to find the missing number in a proportion, what we are going to do is to cross multiply. So, gagawin natin ang cross multiplication. Paano ba yung cross multiplication? So, gagawin tayo dito, mula kay x, papunta kay 2. Mula kay 4, papunta kay 5. So, simple lang. Tingnan nyo. The numerator x, this numerator x, is multiplied by the denominator 2 on the second fraction. While this denominator 4 is multiplied by the numerator 5 on the second fraction. Okay? So, let us multiply. We have x times 2. Kapag pinagsama natin ang letter at saka yung 2, kapag multiply, pagpucombine lang natin. So, x times 2, that is 2x. Equals, multiply natin sa kabila. 4 times 5 is 20. So, we have now an equation. 2x is equal to 20. Now, let's divide both sides by 2. Why 2? Bakit to ang pag-divide natin? Para ma-cancel out natin itong 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is x. Ayun. Si x mo na lang ang naiwan. Okay? Nag-divide tayo dito, so mag-divide din tayo dito. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, ayan. Ang value pala ng x, ang nakuha nating nawawalang number ay number 10. Paano natin masisigurado na tama yung nahanap natin na 10? So, ganito lang. Titingnan natin yung cross products kung parehas. Okay, di ba ang value ng x ay 10? So, mag-cross multiply tayo dito. 10 times 2. 10 times 2 equals 20. Dito naman, 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So, the cross products are the same. Kapag ang cross products ay the same, proportion sila, ibig sabihin, tama yung nakuha nating missing number na 10. So, that is through fraction form. Now, let's proceed to the second way. That is the column form. So, gagamit tayo ng the same example. X is to 4 is equal to 5 is to 2. So, tandaan natin, bilang review, kapag column form gagamitin natin, we are dealing with 4 terms. First term, second term, third term, and the fourth term. At, meron din tayong tinatawag na extremes. The first and the last term. X and 2. And we have the means. Second and the third term. So, ang gagawin natin, multiply the extremes and multiply the means. So we have x times 2, that is 2x, equals, multiply the means, 4 times 5, that is 20. So we have now an equation, 2x is equal to 20. Divide both sides, right side and left side, by 2. So, ika-cancel out natin. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is x. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, the value of x na nakuha natin ay 10. So, ang missing number natin ay 10. Kung mapapansin ninyo, sa column form na ginamit natin, ang nakuha natin ay 10. So, either column form or fraction form, ang gamitin natin, nakuha natin ay 10. Okay? Now, paano naman natin malalaman na tama yung nakuha nating missing number? Dito kanina ay nag-cross products tayo, the same. Dito naman, ang gagawin natin, multiply the means and the extremes. So we have x kanina ay 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. Then the means, 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So, the product of the extreme, that is 10 times equals 20, is equal to the product of the means. So, proportion sila. Ibig sabihin, yung nakuha nating 10 ay tama ang nawawalang term. So, nahanap natin si nawawala mong x. Okay?
Oh, yes.
Now, let's proceed to the third term. This is solving using mental math. Okay. So, mental math tayo. Ganito lang gagawin natin yan. We have the denominators, 2 and 4, or 4 and 2. And the numerators, x and 5. Isipin lang natin yung number na i-multiply dito sa denominator na 2 para makuha si denominator na 4. What number is multiplied with 2 to get 4? Yes, that is times 2. So we have 2 times 2 equals 4. Kung anong ginamit natin dito sa denominators, yun din ang gagamitin natin sa numerators. Kaya 2 ang ginamit natin, kaya ang gagamitin natin ay common multiplier na 2. So, 2 times 5 or 5 times 2 is, 10. So, nakuha natin, ang value na x ay 10. So, kumpara natin dito, 10 pa rin. That is using mental math. Now, yung pang-apat, yung pinakasimple. So, we have x over 4 is equal to 5 over 2. So, pabayaan mo natin si x dyan. Yan ka muna, magbuni-muni. Gagawin natin. Multiply natin si 4 at saka si 5. 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Then, the product is divided to the denominator 2. 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. So, nakuha natin si 10. Ulitin ko, 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 2 is 10. Yan yung value ni x. So, 4 ang ginamit natin para mahanap ang missing term or missing number sa proportion nating x over 4 is equal to 5 over 2. And the value of x is 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, let's apply what you have learned by answering this word problem. Okay, so we have Carl bought 3 red plastic roses for 9 pesos. How much will 5 red plastic roses cost? So, unang gagawin natin ay i-represent natin yung cost ng 5 red plastic roses. Yung nawawala natin. So, let n the cost of 5 red plastic roses. Pagkatapos natin i-represent, i-identify natin yung different quantities. So you have roses is to, ano yung 9 pesos dyan? That is cost equals roses is to cost. Okay? Let us substitute. For roses, we have 3 red plastic roses. 3 is to how much? 9 pesos equals roses 5 is to how much daw? Yun ang nawawala. So yun yung ating N. Ang ating hahanapin. Okay. So let us multiply. We have the extremes. That is 3 times N. And we have the means. That is 9 times 5. Let us solve for the value of N. So we have 3 times N is 3N equals, the means 9 times 5 is 45. Divide both sides by 3. So we have 3N divided by 3, 45 divided by 3. So divide tayo, cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times N is N. Dito naman, 4 divided by 45 divided by 3 is 15. So nakuha natin, therefore, the amount of 5 red plastic roses is 15 pesos. Okay? So 3 is to 9 as 5 is to 15. Let us check. Tingnan natin kung proportion sila. Para tama yung nakuha nating amount ng 5 roses. Let's multiply the extremes and the means. So we have means 9 times 5 equals 45. Then the extremes 3 times N is 15 times 15 equals 45. So the product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes. So yung nawawala nating halaga ng 5 red plastic roses is 15 pesos. Did you understand? So I hope you really understood our lesson. So, pakiusap ko lang, do like and share. And then, pakisubscribe mo na rin if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. So, pakisubaybayan mo para mas makikita mo pa ang mga susunod kong diskarte. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much!